Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to show you some of my new projects with our brand new Favorite Things fabric collection. We just debuted this fabric recently. We had a video where we showed everything all at once, but over the next few weeks I'm just going to back up and just kind of show you up close about all of the new patterns and projects that I've sewn with this wonderful fabric collection. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm just going to share 3 of my projects with you today because they're all small projects, fairly small anyway, and pretty doable. Let's start out with the Oh Christmas Tree ornaments. This is a pattern for 6 different ornaments, and they are all in the same pattern. So there's a house, a friendship star, a stocking, a log cabin, a sawtooth star, and a Christmas tree. And the Christmas tree one is a little bit larger than the other ones. I actually made it into a mug rug or a coaster, but it looks great on the Christmas tree as well. Now this is a remake of a pattern that I previously had before. I wanted to just revise it and have better instructions, and so while I was doing that I also decided to add 2 more ornaments. So the friendship star and the stocking are the 2 new ornaments in this pattern, and I'm super excited about them. I'm actually going to have a project that I want to do with all of the ornaments into a pillow, and so when I get that done I'll definitely put that up here on YouTube. But this is just a fun little ornament project. Again, they work great as coasters, or if you wanted to make a mini quilt you could also use any or all of the blocks for a mini. Next up is this Home for Christmas mini. This again is a remake that I did with our new Favorite Things Christmas collection, and I love this quilt. You can see it's just a small wall hanging. It's 27 inches by 29 inches, and it just uses little bits and pieces of fabric. And what is so fun about this is that when I remade it and shared it with a friend, Katie of Count Your Stitches company on Etsy, she decided to do a cross stitch pattern. So I sent her the design and she did such an amazing job with this. If you're into cross stitch, how fun is it to have the quilt and the cross stitch to go together? And I just absolutely love how she did this. And so I'll have a link to her pattern shop as well, but because she has this in paper and in PDF for the cross stitch lovers out there. I just am really grateful for this. She gifted this version to me and just really excited to have it. Okay, so now I'm going to pull this one aside, and this is my Home Sweet Home row quilt. It actually was inspired by the little mini that I just showed you, but I made everything different. So we do have Christmas trees again, but this is a bigger quilt. This is a wall hanging size quilt, and we'll have to pop up the measurements for you on that. But I used all the different greens in the collection, and there are lots of low volume prints that I was able to use to kind of vary the backgrounds for the different blocks. Daisies and this multicolored, and then these little green leaves with the red berries. So anyway, trees, this is kind of like an Irish chain type row that alternates the red and the pink. And then really cute houses. I've been wanting to do a house block with this style for quite a while now and love the little threshold and the grass beneath each house. This middle row, I'll kind of slide this down. This I'm calling plaid-ish. I was going for like a plaid type look with a variety of different colors. And then really fun little baskets. I've actually thought about adding some little yo-yo embellishments to this. If you like to make yo-yos, this would be a cute way to embellish this row. And then the lily flower blocks, 6 of those, and then these stars. These are just one of my favorite stars. And this quilt just really has my heart. The thing is, though, it's not just a Christmas design. It is going to be so beautiful. I'm actually going to remake it in our next collection, which is not a holiday themed collection. And that way I'll have one to hang up, you know, during the non-seasonal times of the year and another during the holidays. But I want to show you the backing that I use. This is my favorite, probably low volume print from this collection. This is the one everyone keeps commenting about, and it was just the perfect backing. And you'll see as we share these other quilts that it's great for backgrounds. It was really fun as the binding for this quilt too. And we've also used it, you know, here for the backing. So the quilting on this one was done by Marion Bott. And I should mention also the quilting on Home for Christmas. Just show that again really quick. This one has the custom quilting, and it was done by Val Krieger. And she did just something different throughout all of the blocks. But I thought I'd group these 3 projects together as I share the new patterns with you over the next couple of weeks, because these are all really small, easy to make projects. You can make all of the ornaments in a day. You can easily make this mini quilt in a day, and the row quilt actually goes together very quickly as well. Okay, so that's it for sharing Home Sweet Home, Home for Christmas, and the Oh Christmas Tree ornaments, along with a little cross-stitch project that I also shared. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and that if you did, you'll share it with a friend. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and hit the like button. Thanks so much for stopping by.